I've been in the market for some good business leads lately, and I found this company called Organic Prospect. They have a really good selection of leads, and the prices are pretty reasonable. I thought I'd share my experiences with them in case anyone else is looking for some good leads. I'm sure you're all aware that finding good leads is essential to the success of any business. However, what's not so easy is finding good leads that are also affordable. That's why I wanted to share my experience with Organic Prospect. I've been using their services for a while now and have been very impressed with the quality of the leads they provide. Not to mention, their prices are very reasonable when compared to other lead generation services out there. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective source of leads, then I highly recommend giving Organic Prospect a try. If you're interested in getting more leads for your business, I have a great solution for you. I've found a source of fresh leads that are relatively cheap and come in daily batches. All you need to do is sign up and the leads will be delivered directly to your inbox. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now and start seeing results.